keep naval aviation ties to its proud heritage alive and viable. Under this program, City Corporation Naval Aviation tasked to pull alongside the high-tech weaponry represented to change naval carrier aviation. So these unique formation demonstrations, we are able to provide inspiration to the men who currently serve while attacking the best and brightest of our tech generation of young Americans who join the future of the naval aviation. Commander Naval Air Force South Central Illinois. Right now is our 18G Growler, the world's only airborne electronic tag platform. The Growler was flown by Lieutenant Elseth and Lieutenant Nicholas from BAQ 129, based at Naval Air Station Whidbey Island. On the deck, swings out, stands it on the wingtip. Look at that platform. That is the 8-4 Skyhawk. Mr. Paul. Now Paul repositions out here off Air Show left and turns back inbound for his next pass. Again, an opportunity to see this historic aircraft in play. What a treat it is. We've seen some very unique aircraft in the air today. And as he comes right back down our show line here, the 8-4 Skyhawk. Built by McDonnell Douglas Corporation. Features a great tip and give us a nice center right there, that right wing tip down, coming right by as he goes. Fueling nozzle there, so we have the side of the fuselage as he goes by. And now diving in from our left side. He's got himself a nice head of smash. He comes right down onto our deck here, lowering it right down to about 50 feet off the pavement here. Extends down our show line here, puts some speed brakes out on the side of the fuselage as he sets up there, decelerating turn. You can see now has the landing gear out. Tail hook should be extended here momentarily, as we'll be making a simulated carrier arrival here, giving you a nice view of what the Skyhawk looks like in that mode as he swings around out here off of Air Show left.
Some good footage for this. I get some good footage for this. Good zoom.
As we saw right now, you can see off our left side, you can see Paul does have the aircraft configured for landing. The wing flaps are down, the landing gear is out, the tail hook is extended. You notice that tail hook is extended very noticeably on the E4. For Skyhawk, Mr. Poland. 18G, the Growler. From your United States Navy. Naval Aviation.
Get ready for your ears to be deafened. Here they come.
Ladies and gentlemen at Air Show Center, there they are, the 8-4 Skyhawk, and the Growler. Going past on my side there, with over 65 years of naval aviation history passing through Show Center. Now, you'll notice they'll do a reverse turn on here to the right.
Well, they're out there a ways yet. Are they coming back?
VAQ-129, based all the way in Naval Air Station Whidbey Island in Washington. As we watch coming down our show line right now, you can see the aircraft coming by. They've got their tail hooks down as they come down the show line there in the United States Navy. Tail hook legacy flight.
Just to get done before.
Yep, they're gonna go right over us again.
That is the Growler.
I don't even get him ready.
Yeah, as we mentioned earlier, you can notice how tall the A4 stands on its landing gear there. Watch, he's got the power pushed up. Bringing it right on up to his max allowable speed. As you can already see, the air is starting to get vaporized out there as he comes down the show line, right down our line. Ladies and gentlemen. VAQ-129, based at Naval Air Station Whidbey Island, Washington. He'll be coming around final here momentarily as he sets up for his final approach to land.